you're doing fine. Underline 3 times. Next to coupons, faded magnets, and a photo from July. I pretend I'm just refilling, but I'm reading every word like a secret daily sermon in the world's softest handwriting. You're just a post-it on the fridge, but you rearrange my morning little square. Big shift every time I go to pour it. Oh, you turn the humdrum into a hymn. You're just a post-it on the fridge, but you keep my whole world primed. Maybe love's not fireworks, maybe it's ink that smears, grocery lists and gentle jokes holding up our years. So I leave one back for you, crooked, bright and true. Thanks for all the tiny things, they feel huge to me.